and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8, and...
Run. Come on, run now.
When there's no cars, no boats, or no motorbikes, no trains, no planes, can't even board a flight. Hands of time just ticks away, no matter who's behind. If you walk, you'll never reach, now it's running time. Running, row running time. Running, row running time. Running, row running time. Running, row running time. Mankind's really getting lazy, robots on the rise, gauging all our energies with this clever device. If we wasn't busy driving, we would have learned to fly. And we always keep ourselves in shape, jogging many miles. Running, row running time. Running, row running time. Running, row running time. Running time. Should it. Car ain't starting. Foot it. Even if it's through the rain, I'll be shooting to my aim. It's a low down dirty shame. Fat takes over on the lane. Get up and exercise your bones. Leave your comfort zone.
Run. Come on, run now. Come on. Run now.
Running, row running time. Running, row running time. Running, row running time. Running, row running time. A loved one calls out for your aid, you wanna be there for them. Yeah. Batman swings across the city, rescuing civilians. Disasters plague, war engages, better be fit for the new dark ages. When the prince of darkness rages.
Hi, welcome to McColl's. May I help you?
Where's your boss?
I'm sorry, he's not here right now.
Your payment is due today. Why aren't you here? Well, the smart thing to do is just leave it here with someone. My time is money. You know better, Archie. If I gotta wait here an hour, you know you can't afford that.
Well, you know what? I don't know how you cope. Yeah. Well, not me. Doing house chores after long days of work while he's at home chilling? I'm sorry. No way. Hold a second. My phone is speaking.
Tell your stories to your kids at bedtime.
It's the board in my flesh. All right.
Listen, I'd rather blow myself than give you an extra day. I'm not gonna blow myself.
Hello?
Archie, I'll be back in an hour, Archie. You better
Mikey,
be here.
If I wanted to work out, I would have gone to your gym. It's really tacky having to carry this hefty laundry bag here while I'm shopping.
What are you saying, Archie? How many chances do I give you?
Enjoy your day. Thank you for shopping at Nicole's.
Just excuses after excuses.
You know, you should have been here 20 minutes ago.
I don't know what to say.
You have some serious tummy issues.
Listen, I started this business and I can end it just as easily. Don't forget that.
Mikey, I don't see you. You said you were right outside. Where are you? You know this is my only day off, and I have 1,000 things to do.
I'm not always on time, but I'm always there when you call. I'm not in love with Ciara anymore.
Don't fool yourself, Mikey. They say you never know the value of water till the well runs dry. Let's see her start come home late from work. You can see how much you still love her.
My mother is not in this world anymore. The only love I have left is for money, okay?
Get off the phone.
Oh my God!
Where's my bag?
What bag?
Just keep walking, keep walking.
Is that all the laundry you need done?
Just a few athletic wear.
Call me on the phone on the regular. Whenever she needs someone to hold her, she call me. She call me. She love me more than she love her lover. Wouldn't miss me for no other. She love me.
Not only do I want you as my personal trainer, but also as my secret lover.
I love your fragrance. What is it?
Mademoiselle La Chanel. Get ready.
Jesse, hold on. I'm not comfortable.
Why? What's the problem?
Your other half is watching.
Okay, alright. Is that better?
Much better. Wait, hold on. I think the hotel was a much better.
Mikey, I told you.
What if he comes?
Monday to Friday, the moon goes away at sunrise and comes home at sunset. It's fine.
Lexi, the moon can eclipse, alright? Not only am I tampering with someone else's property, but I'm invading their residence. Lexi, just call him for safety, alright?
Fine. Anything to make you happy. Hello, Nathan.
What's up, Lexi?
Listen, I was thinking about cooking your favorite tonight.
Oh, is that so?
Mm-hmm. Well, I know how you hate microwaved food, so I thought, you know, if you're home at your usual time, I could have something hot and ready on the table for you.
Yeah. There'll be a little celebration for me after work today. I got the promotion. Yeah, I'll be home a little late. Mr. Phelps called and asked me if I had the complete transactions for the Inwood account. I told him I did, and he said if I brought them in today, I'd get immediately promoted to general manager. Yeah, that's why I'm back at the house right now to pick them up.
What?
Yeah, I'm here right now.
Home now?
He's home?
They're just gym pants.
You want to kill Jim?
Hello?
Mikey, the bag! I gave you the wrong bag.
Sierra,
You have to bring it back or else he's gonna kill me.
who's gonna kill you?
I gave you someone else's bag when you came to meet me at the store earlier.
Yo, there's $420,000 in that bag. And I have a mean handgun staring at this pretty lady's face.
What's going on?
If you want to see her alive, return what's mine. This is not a game. All right, listen, you have 45 minutes. I'm at the corner of Hillsides and Carson's. I'm telling you, if you're late, you're going to hear about her on the 6 o'clock news. Don't play around with me.
What is it?
Do you think we're always going to be together?
Sweetie, we're gonna be together forever. Okay?
You promise you're never going to leave me?
I promise. I love you. Okay?
Hill Rock and Carson's Boulevard, please.
$12.
Okay.
$12.
I'll pay you when you get me there.
Pay me right now, sir. Pay me right now.
It's bad luck to pay anyone before the service is rendered.
Get out. Get out. Asshole.
I didn't mean to pick up the wrong bag. I didn't mean to start all this mess for you. I'm having a nervous breakdown.
Relax, pretty lady. As long as he brings my food, I won't eat you. What's your name?
Ciara.
Ciara? They call me Wolfgang. Hello. Larry! Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. I made it crystal clear to you. If you don't come up with that exact figure, you're not staying alive. You're gorgeous.
Thank you.
Where's your wedding ring?
I'm not married.
Not married? No wonder you're so worried. I'm considered a very ill-tempered and bizarre businessman. Let me tell you why. Whenever a customer makes a special order and they bail out on purchasing it, I get really pissed off. I get so angry, no matter how lavish the product is, I destroy it.
You don't know me, man, but I know you. Stop messing around. You hear that pussy hole? Blood clot. Money. Here, cash. Oh, God.
Hey, man. Hey, man. You all right, man?
I think they broke my rib.
Oh, man, come on, man. Let me help you up and get you to the hospital.
Oh, God. That bag.
Man, forget that bag, man. Come on, man.
I need that bag. Oh, God. You don't understand. I'll pay you $1,000 if you help me to get that bag, man.
All right, man. Come on.
What's up? Kiki?
Yeah, man, I got you. Don't worry about it, bro.
Minimum wage, just looking for a slave. From the cradle to the grave, a man gotta be made. I'm broke, so I'm looking for an answer. So now the Lord broke and he looking for an answer. Minimum wage, just looking for a slave. From the cradle to the grave, a man gotta be made. I'm broke, so I'm looking for an answer. So now the Lord broke and he looking for an answer.
Dump the Fetty out the duffel bag. I tell you what the math like. The money got my eyes green, searching for the limelight. They say a cat got 9 lives. Well, I say I'm the best rapper alive. Fake ass niggas, tell me what it's like. Somebody better warn that boy before the 40 bite. My favorite idol, assault rifle. I get pussy on the regular. My dick is the Bible. King of New York, I think I earned the title. Mama told me pack your shit and go, you fucking psycho. Shit, I can't afford to live minimum wage. The whole world's a stage. Lights, cameras, action.
Yo, that wasn't part of the deal. You said you would pay me $1,000 if I helped you. And I helped you, bruh.
You can't do this to me, brother. I got 10 minutes to get there.
Yo, well, time is running out. It looks like it's running time right now. So you need to get out my car. What's wrong with this thing, man?
You serious?
Yo, get out my car, man.
There's no cars, no boats, or no motorbikes. No trains, no planes, can't even board a flight. Hands of time just ticks away, no matter who's behind. If you walk, you'll never reach. Now it's running time. Running, 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 roll 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 running time. Mankind's really getting lazy, robots on the rise. Gauging all our energies with this clever device. If we wasn't busy driving, we would have learned to fly. And we always keep ourselves in shape, jogging many miles. Running, 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 roll running time. Running, 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 roll running time.
Back metal scraps, crack bottles, leave it at a cap silo, hit the brakes, black models, hit the strip, late night famous for straight price, liquor stores, barbershop, beach, black.
400. Money. Yo,
Let me see your fingers. Come on, Ciara, I just want to look at them. Oh, wow, your fingers are so sexy. Know what I got here? 14 inches of pure love muscle. Hello?
Yeah, I'm at Hill Rock on Carson's Boulevard.
Wow, you're 4 minutes early. We never know how much someone loves us until our lives are in jeopardy. A lesson indeed.
Where are you?
Meet me at the left side of building 537. You'll see a red metal gate.
Yo, you Mikey?
Yeah.
Nice shoes. Where's my money?
Where's the hostage?
Come on. There's your girl.
Ciara!
Mikey!
Okay, save the reunion crap for later. Where's my cash?
Oh, listen, man. I know this is gonna sound like I'm bullshitting you, but on my way here, I was robbed, man.
You hear that shit your boyfriend's telling me?
They took the bag.
He's not lying.
It was two of them. They beat me up and took the bag. I'm not lying.
Yo, where's my cash? Where's my money?
I don't have it. I'm not lying to
That's
you,
all
man.
I have. It's everything. It's my whole life. Where's my money, dude?
You think I'll come here to bullshit you, man?
Dude, it's everything I have. I have nothing else. Nothing. I have nothing.
It was two of them. I couldn't handle them. Oh my God! Ciara!
One last chance.
Please, man.
One last chance. I need my money. I just need it. You think this is a game? This is a game, right? This is a game, right?
Come on, man. I'm not lying to you. Please, man. Action!
like the sky stay blue. When we're together, baby, it's so true. Yeah. And when I look at you, I can't believe you're such a queen, yeah. And then I drift away inside your eyes, to no surprise. Girl, you are to me more than, girl, you are to me all that and more. I'll do anything and everything for you. Oh, I'll cover you just like the sky stay blue, like the sky. When we're together, baby, it's so true.
Hill Rock and Carson's Boulevard, please.
$12.
Okay.
$12.
I'll pay you when you get me there.
First of all, you take my cab in your underwear and you expect me to buy that shit? If you can't pay me up front, get out. Yo, close my door. I'll punch you in your face.
Yo, get out of here, man. I'll stomp the shit out of you.
is trying to kill me. He's chasing
talking
me.
about?
The guy down there with the sword. Husband, he has a sword. Let me in. Thank you.
You're dead!
Hello, miss. Can I use your cell phone, please? I need to make a phone call. If you have a cell phone, please let me use it. It's an emergency.
Is it long distance?
No, local.
Okay. I don't know you like that, so what's the number?
718-712-8933.
Here, it's ringing.
Oh, thank you. Hello? Listen, my name is Tony Simpson. I have a little girl here with me and I think she's lost. She has your cab service info written down in her notebook. There's also a cab number 36 listed. I think it may be her dad or something. Nah, listen, just give me your address. Oh, no, I don't need a pen. I have photographic memory. Go ahead. 4322 Liberty Avenue. Okay, got that. Listen, call cab number 36 and tell him I'll be there in 7 minutes. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I have no notebook and I am not lost. You're a liar.
I'm sorry, little man. Forgive me. Forgive me, okay? Thanks again.
Roll one in time. Running. Roll one in time.
I didn't know. I didn't even realize I took up the wrong bag. Look, I didn't mean to cause all of this mess for you. I'm about to have a nervous breakdown right now.
Relax, pretty lady. I'm not a monster. What's your name?
Sierra.
Sierra? They call me Wolfgang. You're pretty.
Thanks.
Your aura pulls me like a magnet. Is there any room for me to rent?
Room is already taken.
So you're married?
Not really.
Not really? Then that means the room's not really taken.
We've lived together for 10 years and 3 months. That makes us common law spouses.
Hello. Bye. Kids, they're a blessing and a curse. You got any?
Not yet. I want everything to be perfect before I bring one into this world. I really love kids.
Sierra, you have ever seen a movie called Indecent Proposal?
Yeah, I've seen it.
I see something in you I doubt your hubby sees. My idol, the great Albert Einstein, once said, sometimes one pays the most for things one gets for nothing. I say that to say this. If your common law husband makes it here on time, I'm going to make him an offer just like the one in the movie.
I am not for sale.
Everybody's for sale. Everybody's got a price.
Except me. There's no price tag here.
Just think about what $420,000 will do for you.
I do okay for myself. I happen to be a proud middle school teacher who happens to love her job.
Teacher? Do you know what I do for a living? I'm a loan shark. I've been around dead presidents long enough to know that dollars make change out of anyone. Wait till all that cash is being handed to you.
You know, too many people look upon Americans as dollar chasers. This is a cruel libel, even if it is reiterated thoughtlessly by Americans themselves.
Wow, I knew it. You quoted Einstein. We're a match made in heaven.
Actually, I think Einstein is mediocre compared to the brilliant George Washington Carver, who also commented on this issue. He said, "We have become almost 99% money mad. The method of living at home, modestly, and within our own income can be considered among the lost arts." You're no match for me. I never like men who try to lure women with their money.
Listen, I just think it's better to pay for something than to continually beg or steal for it. Is that wrong of me? Listen, honey, just relax. Why are you pulling away? Just, you don't have to pull away. Just relax.
Please.
Don't be mad. Relax. Relax.
Please don't touch me.
Okay, all right. You're obviously a little uncomfortable with the duct tape. I'm going to get it off you. We'll relax and we'll talk. This will be much better.
But I do gangster shit. Fuck with a gangster, make a gangster flip. I don't wanna be a gangster, but I do gangster shit. Fuck with a gangster, make a gangster flip. I don't wanna be a gangster, but I do gangster shit. fuck with a gangster maker.
Homegirl's trying to put us on to this dude. He got crazy money stashed in his crib, man.
Yo, Bugs, man, check it, yo. Yo, I'm tired of sticking up people and robbing people for their money, man. Know what I mean? I'm trying to work for mines now, dog. You feel me? Know what I mean? Yo, Bugs, we can't be stick-up kids forever, man. You know what I mean? And look, check it. The construction shit pays pretty good right now, dog. All we gotta do is get up in the union, yo. We be straight.
You ain't talking my language, man. I'm talking Guapanese. Right now, you sounded like you was praying down on your knees. Man, I'm fiending to get paid.
Yo, you ain't trying to hear me right
Yo,
now,
Sadiq,
right?
look.
Holy shit. What's we smoking, nigga?
Hell no, we wasn't smoking. This is going down for real.
Look.
Miss, please, good morning. I'm exposing a whole lot of cash here. Could you please give me a bag? This is not a nice neighborhood.
You rob a bank or something?
Oh, no, I didn't rob any banks. Actually, someone is trying to rob me. Please, miss. Need a bag. Oh.
Put everything inside the bag.
Come on, miss. Why are you doing this? You have a good business here.
It's not my business. I hate this stuff.
Please.
Don't test me, I will shoot you. Put it in your bag.
You have a good business
Back
here.
up. Put it in your bag.
Miss, please, miss.
Get out of my way.
Someone like...
I will shoot you, don't follow me.
Hello? 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 I swear this nigga never here, man. Is anybody working? Hello?
Join a gym before you run off with someone else's money. You're out of shape, bitch, yo.
Roll
coming from the laundromat?
Yeah.
So why didn't you bring some of my stuff with you?
It's trifling enough that I have to go wash laundry to begin with. Now you expect me to wash your load too? Let me tell you something. I'm not a laundry person and I'm nobody's mother. All right, you need to wash your own damn clothes.
You know what? I moved in with you for the wrong reasons. I made a big mistake. Made a big mistake. Hello? Yeah, I'm here. Hill Rock and Carson Boulevard. Oh, pardon me, my watch is 2 minutes slow. Okay. Metal Gate? All right.
Yo, Mikey?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on.
It's a Miyake, right?
So? That's not my bag.
Oh, while rushing to get here, your bag was ripped, so I changed it, that's all.
You changed my bag?
Calm down, man, listen. All $420,000 is still in the bag.
Let me see.
Where's my woman?
Well, I guess she got a little impatient because while we were waiting, she bit my arm, she ran off. Not my fault. Now hand me my shit.
Sierra!
Makes many calculations in his temple where the battle is fought. The general who loses the battle makes but few calculations beforehand. That's why many calculations lead to victory. Few calculations lead to defeat. That's the art of war, Mikey!
Sierra!
Mikey!
Oh my God. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Baby, I love you.
I love you too. Why are you half naked? Where are your clothes? Your shoes?
Sierra, I've been through the valley of the shadow of death to get here. It's a long story.